Iván Duque Márquez is a Colombian politician and lawyer who is the current president of Colombia. In office since 7 August 2018, he was elected as Colombia's youngest president, as the candidate from the Democratic Center Party in the 2018 presidential election. Duque was born in Bogotá, in a wealthy political family that originally came from the Colombian town of Gómez Plata, Antioquia. He is the son of Juliana Márquez Tono, a powerful local political leader who was governor of Antioquia, auditor in the United Nations, Minister of Mines and Energy, and who was the head of the National Registry of Civil Status in the government of Andrés Pastrana. Duque's siblings are Andrés and Maria Paula. Duque attended Colegio Rochester and graduated from Sergio Arbelda University in Bogotá in 2000. With a degree in law. He holds a LLM in International Economic Law from American University and a Master's in Public Policy Management from Georgetown University, Washington, D.C. He began his professional career in 1999 as a consultant in the Andean Development Corporation and later served as an advisor at the Colombian Ministry of Finance and Public Credit during the government of Andrés Pastrana. Subsequently, he was appointed by Juan Manuel Santos, future president and then Minister of Finance, as one of Colombia's representatives at the Inter-American Development Bank, a post he held between 2001 and 2013. There he served as chief of the Division of Culture, Solidarity, and Creativity. Duque also served as international advisor of former President Álvaro Uribe Vélez. Between 2010 and 2011, he was a consultant at the United Nations in the research panel appointed by the Secretary-General for the incident of the Gaza flotilla that occurred on May 31, 2010, between Israel and Turkey, known as Mavi Marmara. Duque returned to Colombia to become a candidate for the Senate in the legislative elections of 2014. For the Partido Centro Democrático, which split away from the ruling governing party after Juan Manuel Santos opened peace negotiations with the FARC. This new party campaigned against certain aspects of the new peace agreement and was led by right-wing former President Uribe. During his time as a senator, he was the author of 4 laws. On 10 December 2017, Duque was nominated by his party as its candidate for president of Colombia. He won the nomination through a system of surveys conducted by the party, with a 29.47% favorability compared to the other 2 candidates, Carlos Holmes Trujillo, who obtained 20.15%, and Rafael Nieto with 20.06%. In January 2018, it was announced that the center-right coalition would participate in the grand primary for Colombia, an inter-party consultation, with Duque as its candidate confronting Marta Lucía Ramírez and Alejandro Ordóñez. On the 11th of March 2018, Duque won the primary with more than 4 million votes. Ramírez was second, with just over 1.5 million votes, and Ordóñez came third with 385,000 votes. During his speech, Duque thanked the support of Colombians at the polls and announced Marta Lucía Ramírez as his running vice president in the elections. On 27 May 2018, Duque earned the most votes in the first round of the presidential election with over 39% of the vote. Duque was elected president of Colombia on 17 June 2018 after defeating Gustavo Petro 54% to 42% in the second round. He was sworn in on 7 August 2018 at the Bogotá's Bolivar Square. The presidency of Iván Duque has continued the policies of his predecessor Juan Manuel Santos regarding immigration and the Venezuelan refugee crisis. Iván Duque's government has been a vocal supporter for the Venezuelan refugees at the United Nations and has provided aid, schooling and healthcare for many, and has been a vocal critic of other South American countries closing of doors to Venezuelan refugees. Duque's policies regarding this issue have received repeated praise from international humanitarian organizations for its efforts to legalize, formalize and offer assistance to refugees, and The Atlantic has noted that it has set the bar in welcoming refugees. A representative from the International Rescue Committee has noted that Never seen a government trying this hard to register people and leave the borders open. Unfortunately, she added, the scale of this crisis, and the speed at which it changes, is more than Colombia can handle. The 2019 Colombian protests are a collection of protests that have occurred since the 21st of November 2019. Thousands of Colombians marched in protest of the Duque government. Iván Duque is the author of the books Monetary Sins and Indignación. Duque has also been an op-ed contributor to several newspapers. El Colombiano, from Medellín, Portafolio and El Tiempo from Casa Editorial El Tiempo in Bogotá, and El País in Spain. Duque is Roman Catholic. He is married to María Juliana Ruiz Sandoval, with whom he has 3 children. Luciana, Meixas and Eloísa. Categoría: Líderes Nacionales Actuales.